Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, I'll show you guys how I got my hair to look like this. So this wig is actually from Beauty Forever. They sent me a 24-inch 13x4 lace frontal wig in body wave and 150 density, and this is what I did to it. So if you'd like to see how I did my baby hairs, how I did the crimps, just keep on watching. Beauty Forever usually has such good quality hair. They have amazing wigs, bundles, everything, but their wigs I love so much. I've been working with Beauty Forever for a long time now, and their wigs just never disappoint. So if you are looking for some reliable quality, consistent, good quality wigs, definitely go ahead and check out the links in the description box for you to go ahead and check out Beauty Forever. And without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial so I can show you guys how to get your hair looking like this.
Stallion, you ain't no stable, no, you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks, so we split it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy. We work my way, yeah, babe. Any day. Yeah, the work my way, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, the work my way. Standing up, keep me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks, so we split it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy. You used to flexing on me, yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy. We work my way, yeah, babe. Any day. Yeah, the work my way, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, the work my way. Up in the Lambo, I'm on my way. Drew house slippers on with a smile on my face. I'm a lady, that you are my lady. You got the yum. You got the yum. Whoa. Yeah, you got that yummy, the yummy, the yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, the yummy, the yummy. We work my way, yeah, babe. Any day. Yeah, the work my way, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, the work my way.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. it right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate Top. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous twine, but I think I'm here to solo. Hope my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hear me. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous twine, but I think I'm here to solo. Hope my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hear me. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
I love this. I'm loving how this wig is looking, how soft it is. Like, so here for this. So this wig is from Beauty Forever. They went ahead and sent me a 24-inch 150 density 13x4 lace frontal body wave wig. This is how it looks, and I'm loving it. It's just so simple. I'm living for it. You know, crimps are always cute, like with anything and everything. I live for a good crimp moment, and I feel like these are pretty much just some soft crimps. You know, I didn't use hairspray. I just wanted to like exaggerate the body wave aspect of this wig, because you know, like whenever we get body wave units, we tend to just curl them, layer them, cut them up, but like girl, I'm trying to see these waves, okay? And I feel like the crimper just really enhanced the body waves in this wig. So yeah, I'm loving it, and the links for this gorgeous unit will be in the description box below if you'd love to purchase or like to. And this wig is actually like really good quality. The hair on it is good quality. It was easy to pluck. Tinting was a breeze. I didn't have to do much because the lace was already complementing my skin tone, so I was just here for that altogether. And so far so good. I don't ever usually have complaints with Beauty Forever wigs. They are just super top tier quality, top quality wigs. loving it, so here for it. And again, if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And that is all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, I will see you ladies in my next one. Bye babes.